In this video, I'm going to go through an in-depth analysis of a stock that I own that has gone up 600% from its March lows. This company is called Upwork. As you can see from the screenshot, we are up roughly 85% or $1,800. Looking at the stock chart, we can see that less than 6 months ago, you could have bought the stock for $5. And just very recently, you can see how much of a move this stock has made up and is now trading for around $30. My plan in this video is to explain to you guys what Upwork is, why this stock has jumped so much, and if I think this stock is a buy, as well as what I plan on doing with my shares. So if you're new to this channel, stick around to the end of the video where I go over our YouTube portfolio. This is a portfolio I built from scratch, documenting every step of the way along YouTube. I consistently add $250 to it every month, and we started with $1,000. So if you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. So Upwork. What is Upwork? Upwork is an online marketplace where people looking to get work done are connected to people looking for work. Upwork's platform consists of two parties, a freelancer and a client. A freelancer is an individual who can work for any company at any time, right? Freelancers are able to decide when they work and what jobs they want to work. Now, a client is someone who's looking for freelancers to complete a job. Clients generally are looking for very specific talent to complete very specific jobs. In this marketplace, freelancers create profiles detailing their skills and abilities, as well as showing the results of some of their past projects that they've completed. Clients will come to Upwork and create jobs posts detailing what jobs they need to have completed, what skills and abilities are necessary, as well as when the job needs to be completed. The heart of Upwork really lies in the clients. This is because clients generally have big projects that need a lot of freelancers that require a lot of money. The more freelancers being employed, that means the more money getting paid to freelancers, which means the more money that Upwork makes. This is because Upwork generates a majority of our revenue from fees charged to freelancers. We also generate revenue through fees charged to clients for transacting payments through our platform, as well as foreign currency exchange fees, Upwork payroll service fees, and fees for premium offerings. So I personally have actually used Upwork before, and I was a client and I was looking for a freelancer to create a logo for me. I was able to create a job post and then invite different freelancers to the job that had created different logos that I saw that I liked. In one day, I was able to create an account, create a job post, find a freelancer, and then have 3 different logos made for me all within 48 hours. This is the logo that I chose, and you guys could decide if you like it or not, but the process was super easy and super convenient. Now let's get into why did this stock jump so much? All because Upwork beat analyst expectations. Upwork stock surges 27% after Q3 beats, strong revenue guidance, and stifle upgrade. Upwork experienced revenue of 24% year over year, gross margin improved 2 percentage points to 73%, and stifle upgrades Upwork from hold to buy with the price target raised from $17 to $31. The firm thinks the accelerated marketplace adoption should drive 20% plus revenue growth over the next 12 months, along with expanding margins. So is this stock a buy? And what do I plan on doing with my position? In order to figure out if the stock is a buy or not, there's a few things that we need to look at. First of all, we need to know Upwork's business model. We already know how they make money, and Upwork has a very compelling business model with a very large market opportunity. According to Upwork's investor presentation, there is a $560 billion global remote work opportunity, and Upwork has only tapped into $2 billion of that. So according to Upwork, they have only tapped into roughly 0.37% of their total addressable market, which is less than 0.5%. Looking at Upwork's revenue growth over the past 3 years, Upwork's revenue has grown at an average pace of around 22%. And in their most recent quarter, their revenue grew by 24%, which is an acceleration of their 3-year average. So Upwork has this giant total addressable market, and they're growing revenue by 20+%, and it's accelerating. This is very promising because they got a lot of room to grow into with how big their market opportunity is. And then let's take a look at their net income. We can see that they're not a profitable company by GAAP measure, but their losses have stayed roughly the same since 2016 with increasing revenue, which is a good sign. This to us signals that there could be some sort of path to profitability because their revenue is increasing, but their net losses are staying relatively the same. Now, in their most recent quarter, where they grew 24% revenue growth, Upwork only lost roughly 2 cents a share, which is very close to being break even. So the losses aren't exactly concerning for me. Taking a look at Upwork's balance sheet, we can see that they have about 2x current assets versus current liabilities and about 2x total assets versus total liabilities. So this company is a strong financial position, and moving forward, I don't really have any worries about anything going on with their financial position. Are they a buy? So we need to know basically what the company's valued at. Upwork has a valuation of $3.57 billion and a price to sales of 10.25. Comparing this to Fiverr, who essentially does the same thing as Upwork, Fiverr has a market cap of $6.64 billion and a price to sales of 37.42. So even though Fiverr is growing at a much faster rate than Upwork, they're doing far less revenue and trading at a very high premium. I think Fiverr can get to I think if Fiverr can get to a $6+ billion market cap, then Upwork should have no problem getting there as well. Pairing that with a solid balance sheet, accelerating revenue, a massive market opportunity, and minuscule losses, I think this company will do very well in the future. So what do I plan on doing with my shares? I already have a decently sized position in this company, and I'm close to being up 100%. So in my opinion, I don't really see any reason for me to buy Upwork specifically, especially since I was able to get in for so cheap. But because I'm not buying, that doesn't mean you guys can't buy too. I mean, we just went through all the bullish points that this company has. So you guys are gonna have to make your own decision and make your own judgments. Now, moving on, we're gonna go over the YouTube portfolio really quick. So reviewing our YouTube portfolio, we can see that our account value is $1,326.55. We have $88.71 in change and a total, or in cash, and are up a total of $76.55. So this portfolio has been doing really well since we started it a couple months ago. I'm really proud of how it's going on. Our holdings consist almost entirely of Facebook and then a small position in Nordstrom. I'm still looking to build a second pillar stock other than Facebook. And as our money keeps coming in, we're going to keep looking for other stocks. But I can build this Facebook position pretty high before I have to buy anything else. So I plan on just holding both these stocks for now and most likely adding more of each in the future. So we're a couple of weeks away from our $250 addition of cash, which is every month. So right now we can't exactly buy any stocks, and I'm going to continue to grow this portfolio by $250 every month, and I'll just continue to add some stocks. So that's it for the video. I hope everybody enjoyed. If you like this video, please drop a like. And if you want to see similar content and possibly follow along with the YouTube portfolio, subscribe to the channel. I upload every single week. And other than that, guys, have a great day.